In this section, you are going to watch me build a simple class that is going to be used to compute semester results for a particular college. So the basic scenario is a student is going to take 5 subjects in a semester, and then we are going to take this subject and then do some computation using a single class. This is in order to reinforce most of the concepts that we've already studied. And then at the end, I'm going to give you an assignment where you are going to actually improve upon this simple class that I'm going to show you how to build in this section. So basically, the class should be able to compute the total score for a student, should be able to compute the average, and it should be able to set and return the grade for a student, and you should also be able to return the final result and the overall remark for that student. So the remark would be whether the student passed or failed, and then the final result and the grade and all the other information. So it's going to be a very basic class. So let's get into the test editor. I have introduced 2 new files. One is form.php and the other one is passform.php. If we look at form.php, I'm just pulling in Bootstrap here, and then I have a form that allows us to collect the name of the student ID, and then for the courses, we are collecting for 5 courses: PHP, Java, Node.js, Ruby, and C++. And I've set up the form properly with the name control for each of the course that we are going to be collecting. Then we have a compute button here, and then we have the final display. So after computing it, we are going to display the record in this table. That's all for the form.php that I have here. And then for pass form, right now I just have the required statement for composer autoload here, nothing else. We have nothing inside of index. And then if we look at src students, we have nothing inside of here other than the namespace definition and the basic class structure. So I'm going to include form.php inside of index. So we're going to say require once form.php, and then let's just require once pass form.php. And then let's do a reload on the browser. Okay, so we have the basic form here. You can see we can get the name of the student, the ID. We can get a mark for each of the courses that the student took for that semester. When we compute, we are going to display the final results and all other information right here. And then we're also going to have the total score displayed here, average score, grade, final result, and the remark. We're going to start by building the class, and then after building the class, we're going to see how it fits into all of this design that we have here.